Well, coming to you from Victoria Gardens in Rancho Cucamonga. We're in Southern California, and it is Saturday on a rainy Saturday. The temperature right now is very cold for California. It's about 49, 48 degrees right now, and you can see even though it's cold and wet, people are still walking around and enjoying the night. So tonight I'm with my wife, Eleanor. That's my wife. But this is my daughter here, Vanessa, and that's her husband, Stan. So we're just kind of like hanging out tonight and just checking out what's going on out here in Victoria Gardens. I pray and I hope that you too have a great weekend. Thank you. May God bless you and take the blessings.